Welcome to Adventures of USA.
Making raviolis.
Making raviolis.
Adventures in USA.
USA.
Adventures in USA.
USA.
Adventures in USA.
Hello. Today in Adventures in USA, we are camping. We're kind of camping in, we went pretty much saw a highway, and then we saw a ton of woods, and we looked on Google Maps, and we're like, damn, there's a lot of woods over here. So, this is where we're camping today in Adventures in USA. Except for it's raining now, so we're under our tarp. And, Billy is going to cook us some raviolis. Chef Boyardee, by the way.
And we cleared a campsite, and I built this beautiful tent out of a tarp and twisty ties and duct tape and rope. And so we were just sitting, Francis, me, and Billy, and Darian and Shoal come, and they're like, guys, we're not gonna stay here. It's raining. We have to go. There's no trespassing. Well, are you serious? Like, we built this beautiful campsite, and just because it's raining and you're worried about the lawn and crap, you're gonna leave us. You know?
I'm big. I mean, I'm biggie.
I mean, you know.
Yeah, I
So
understand.
they leave, and we're here, and we got no cars, so I don't know where we are. I have no sense of direction right now, so I'm just here, just trying to live off the land, sort of, whatever we have under this tarp. Chef Boyardee and Oreos. They're double stuffed, so I think we're good, but you know, I think I have one now. You know, we're gonna try to live out the night, but depending on how wet it gets, I have to leave.
Too. I was using my stick to eat. It was delicious. Shit. Hopefully that's not for us.
Here's Billy making sausages.
On a hubcap.
Yeah, on like a hubcap. You can hear them.
Looks good.
I just dropped my fork on the ground. We need to hold this here. Hold this while I...
Aaron, I want a table made out of wood.
Ow! God. I made my fork myself. That's really sweet.
Make me some food, dude.
Billy's actually good at this food baking business. Like, I was surprised at how sweet these were. Yeah. You know what I want to go see tonight? Cowboys and Aliens. My dad was.
It's hard to do when you're in the woods, though.
And
Don't they taste weird? Yeah, I know. They taste weird.
you want a hot dog, Aaron?
Yeah.
They taste weird.
They're not so hot. You can just pick
They
them
taste like really weird.
Hot dogs are pretty good, he said. I speak retard.
So here we are in the woods, we're exploring. There's a car here. Like, how the hell? Like, look at this. Middle of the woods. There's just woods everywhere. How would you even get this car out here? And this isn't like a 10 car, like maybe the woods weren't here or something. Like this is, I don't know, maybe 30 years old. It is ridiculous. How the hell do you get this out here? Look under the hood. Tell me if there's an engine.
It's gonna be like a giant monster. Oh, it's heavy.
Billy,
It doesn't go up. Alright.
use your skills.
Alright, fine.
Yeah, there's an engine of some sort. Yeah, dude, how the hell did this get out? Okay, it's fine. You don't need a...
Spider web up in the How does the dashboard get like lost?
Dude, I don't know. It's been out here for like 50... It probably disintegrated. Why are all the windows gone? How did the car get out here? Why did it... Yeah. Dude, I wonder what's in the trunk. Why should be like a dead body in the trunk? Dude, let's get in the trunk. What's in the back seat? Nothing?
Here's a door.
Is there anything in the back seat?
There's
What is
static
that?
glass.
Here, open it. I just want to find $1 million. Okay, that's game plan right now. Find $1 million. Okay, break. Find $1 million. Okay, let's get to the trunk. Okay, that's where the $1 million prize is. Or like a dead body. Either one would be crazy. What is that?
It's the dashboard.
Oh, let me see. Oh
It had
yeah, like,
38,442 miles on it.
alright, this tree's actually like... Alright then. So we got some oil, a ton of bottles. Yeah, so we're still here. We really don't know what the hell's going down. Like, these bottles are from, I think, the 70s. We're gonna look it up later though. Like the 7-Up and Mountain Dews, and there's like some beers in here too. Find a can. This one right here. This cooler's right here. There's also like lightning and thunder if you can't hear. If you can hear. So it's weird. We're like in a car, middle of the woods. No way. And we've been trying to think. Like, I guess maybe the car, you know, drove down here. That's the front. Is the back. So I take it maybe these trees, these small trees were all gone, and these big ones were all standing up, and it was able to drive down here. Alright, well, it's raining a lot now. Alright, so we came back. I guess we're here for the long haul. We're kinda... It started raining a lot, we ran back. We were only about 5 minutes away from this place where that car was. And yeah, it is pretty disgusting out there. You can't really... Alright, we're trying to light a hot dog for food right now.
The campboat is ruined!
I can't even make fire.
Move your big hand. We're just doing this with a lighter.
Is it warm yet?
No. It's still cold.
I'm gonna use a whole damn lighter on this one sausage. Okie dokie, so we're here. It's still raining. Our tarp is, everything's kind of wet. It kind of just sucks right now. We're thinking about, yeah, we're about to leave and just gonna go.
Leave our humble abode.
Yeah, I think we're just gonna take our bags and just run to the wild.
It probably wouldn't even have rained if Shoal and Daring had been here.
Pictures USA. USA. Pictures in USA. USA. Pictures in USA.